I was uploading my video yesterday and I noticed this in the video detail section. There is something new in this page, and I don't know if you guys have noticed, but it is this new feature that YouTube has apparently placed on everybody's channel. It's called Shorts Permission. And if you read it, it says, allow people to create shorts using parts of this video. Turning this off will permanently delete all shorts sampling this content. So if I turn it off, anybody that has sampled that content, those shorts will automatically be deleted. And then it also says not all videos can opt out. YouTube hasn't officially come out and said anything publicly on their channels. I don't think on all of their social medias, at least not while I'm making this video. The only thing that they have is this learn more link. So of course I clicked on that to see, well, what does this mean? This takes you to this page where it's basically how to upload shorts on YouTube. So here's what I noticed. There's this tutorial right here which says use sound to create a short. You can create a short video using music from our official catalog or tracks or the original audio from many other shorts on YouTube. Certain videos may be unavailable based on privacy settings or who has claimed copyright ownership of the video. Then it says, if you choose to use audio from other shorts videos, the owner may delete their original content or restrict its use in other shorts at any time. When this happens, any derivative short will be auto-muted, set to unlisted, and scheduled for deletion in 30 days. To me, that's very similar to the way sounds work on TikTok. So on TikTok, you can go and use other people's sounds in your video. It doesn't even have to be a song. It can be someone talking. You can also lip sync to that on TikTok. So that seems very similar to that. Now, here's the section, create a short from a video watch page. And I think that is what that pertains to, these shorts permission. This one, there's not a lot of information about this yet. So I don't think it's a feature that is available. And I actually tried to test it and I'm going to show you in a second. But all it says is to create a short from a video's watch page, sign in to the YouTube app on mobile, go to the video you'd like to sample. Under the video player, tap create, and then it has a short icon to create a short. I decided to run a test with my own video. I do have like a test account. It's called Project Girl Boss Shorts. I created that channel when shorts first came out because I thought that I was going to be uploading shorts on that channel. It turns out I never really used it, but now it's actually perfect. So I logged into that account on this phone right here, and that account actually has the shorts camera. So you can see that right there. My main channel, for some reason, I still don't have the shorts camera enabled, but this one does. So for anybody wondering what the shorts camera looks like, if you don't have it enabled yet or you never really understood what it was, all you do is on YouTube, you click the little plus right here and you can see that the following options pop up under create. It's upload a video, create a short, and there's a little camera, then go live. You can see it says beta next to create a short. If you click on create a short, then you get to the screen where you can create your short and you have the options to flip the camera, change the speed. There's a timer, there's a couple of filters there, and there's the add music section. When you go to add music, there are some tracks here that you can use. I am assuming that these are copyright free. I do not know that. I haven't tested this feature yet, but there seems to be some, you know, not so terrible songs in here. So I would have to play more with that. But like I said, in today's video, what I wanted to try was the sampling feature. So according to the instructions, you sign in on the YouTube mobile app. So check, go to the video you'd like to sample. So I'm going to go to my latest video, and then under the video player, tap the short icon to create a short. So I'm going to tap the video. I am under the player. I don't see the icon to create a short. Am I missing it somewhere? I don't know. This one just here just pulls up my description. Those are just the comments, and then at the bottom you just get more video, and then this is the shorts shelf. Let me try something else because I hadn't thought about that. I just thought about that. What if I go home on the home page and I have the shorts here? Let me pick a short. Let me do this one. yeah, no, I don't see like the little shorts icon that they're talking about. So I definitely think that it is a feature that is going to roll out soon. I feel like when it rolls out is when we're going to get the news from YouTube as to how it works. I've seen a lot of videos pop up already with people really upset that this feature has been auto selected for you. So basically they're upset because YouTube is not giving the creator the option of deciding whether we want to sample it or not. I mean, technically they are giving you the option, but if you don't notice it, if you're someone that doesn't really scroll all the way, or you're not really paying attention to all the features that are already auto selected, you could miss that, and you are automatically giving permission for other people to sample your content when that is enabled. So if you don't want people sampling your content on their channels, you have to go in and uncheck that for every single video. This new update is apparently retroactive, so every other past video that you have made also has this option. So I'm actually going to go check on my channel right now to see if that is true. So let me go really far back to see if that option is enabled on that one. And because this is a video about YouTube Shorts, let's go to the YouTube Shorts video that kind of started it all on my channel. It is this one right here. So let's go to the details section and let's see if that option is in there. And so there it is, Shorts permission, and it is automatically selected. Most of the other videos that I have seen on YouTube, it's people upset at YouTube for allowing this. Like, how are we going to let people just sample our content? Here's a little bit of a different perspective, because I think a lot of people are jumping the gun. YouTube hasn't come out and told us how this feature is going to work exactly. We don't have a lot of information yet. I think they're just setting up the groundwork to where, hey, you want your content to be sampled, and then once it finished and once the feature completely rolls out, then we'll have the facts on how it actually works. I'd rather not jump the gun and call this the most terrible thing that YouTube has ever done, because this is something that happens quite frequently over on TikTok and Instagram. Someone in my Facebook group actually made a really good point. They said this might just be YouTube's version of TikTok's stitching. On TikTok, you can stitch other people's content, and when you do, that essentially means that a piece of their content plays on your video, and then you do like your reaction or response to that little segment or clip that you selected. So I think that's what that is. It's the sampling. Instagram recently did it with their remix, but that's actually very similar to the duets. So it could also be like a duet feature, a duet option, but they're just calling it sampling. On TikTok, it's called duets, where both videos play side by side or one on top of the other. On both TikTok and Instagram, you can opt out of this option. So if you don't want people remixing your content, you just have to unselect it. And same for TikTok. Before you publish the video, you can opt out of allowing people to duet it or allowing people to stitch it. And it is auto selected in there as well. So I think that that is all that that is. On TikTok, for example, when people duet you and stitch you, it automatically adds duet with, and it has the original creator, stitch with, and it has the original creator. So you can still go to the original creator's video and see it there. It is a way for you to have a little bit of more exposure for your channel. It would have been nice for YouTube to notify us and say something like, hey, there's a new feature rolling out. You'll notice it in the video upload section, where you can basically allow people to sample your content. That seems to be the outrage that I am seeing across. It's like, how dare they do this without letting us know? It's YouTube's platform. We're kind of just renting this space. Is it a little troublesome that now we have to go back to all our videos and remove this option? I mean, I guess if you're someone that doesn't want other people sampling your content, and you also have a lot of videos uploaded, it's going to be pretty obnoxious to go in and unselect that from every single video. So they should definitely look into creating like a bulk update feature for that. Right now, my stand on it is I don't have enough information as to how it's going to work. So I'm going to put my pitchfork down and wait for YouTube to kind of give us an insight as as to how this is going to work, but I do think it's going to be very similar to TikTok's Stitch duet feature and Instagram's remix feature. It's already being done on those platforms. We all know that YouTube Shorts is basically YouTube's way of competing with TikTok and Instagram, trying to keep everybody on YouTube. So why wouldn't they also create that option for us, right? So I'm gonna keep my eye on it, and because I now have the Shorts camera on that account, I can finally play with it a little bit. So maybe we'll have a couple more YouTube Shorts related videos. For more information on YouTube Shorts, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this playlist right here. There is a lot of good information in there. I will go ahead and see you there. Bye.